Yeah, welcome again, guys, to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Made Easy. So, in today's video, we are going to solve more problems on the law of indices. Okay, now let's solve these following problems. Yeah, the first problem I have here is a very simple problem, which is 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5. And this is going to give us 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 1, the law of indices. Check my previous video on that. So this will be equal to 5 raised to the power of 3. And then 5 raised to the power of 3 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So that should give us 125. So that is about that. Let's solve this problem also. Yeah, you have 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 8. So then how are you going to solve this? Board mass. If you make use of board mass, so multiplication before okay, division before multiplication. So you have to divide before you multiply. So this means we have 2 raised to the power of 6, then multiply by 2 raised to the power of 5 minus 8. And this will give us 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of negative 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 3, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. So that is the answer to that problem. Okay, the next question we have here, so which is we have 2 over x squared, then everything raised to the power of 2. So this means we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2, then over x raised to the power of 2, then raised to the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. Then x raised to the power of 2 times 2 will give us x raised to the power of 4. So we have our answer, which is 4 over x, then raised to the power of 4. Okay, now, next problem we are going to solve. In this video, we have the fifth root of x raised to the power of 25, then everything over 32. You know, um, we can rewrite 32 in terms of 2. That is 2 raised to the power of 5 will give us 32. Okay, so then we are going to have the fifth root of x raised to the power of 25, then over 2 raised to the power of 5. So then remember that if we have a raised to the power of 1 over b is equal to bit roots of a. Okay, so we can apply this rule in this problem. Okay, so this means we are going to have x raised to the power of 25 over x raised to the power of 5, then everything raised to the power of 1 over 5. Then we can distribute this 1 over 5 into the bracket. That is, we're going to have x raised to the power of 25 multiplied by 1 over 5, then over x raised to the power of 5, 2 raised to the power of 5, sorry, 2 raised to the power of 5 multiplied by 1 over 5. Okay, so we can say 5 and 5 is 1, 5 and 25 is 2, so we can say 5 cancel 5. So what we have now, if 5 and 25 is 5, sorry, so you have x raised to the power of 5, then over 2, and then we have our answer. So x raised to the power of 5 over 2 is the answer to that problem. Yeah, so easy to solve. Now let's solve this challenge problem. It's very easy though. So, and here's the problem. You have to raise to the power of 2 over 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 number 1 over 2, then minus 1 raised to the power of 4 over 5. Okay, so let's deal with the bracket first. So this means 2 raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus, 2 multiplied by 2 give us 4 plus 1, that will be 5. So we have 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2, then minus is, this will surely give us 1, because 1 raised to the power of a number will give us 1. So let me continue here. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus, you can open the bracket, so minus 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2, then plus 1. Yeah, so what do you think we can do here? Okay, so you can actually leave your answer this way, and then if you don't want to leave your answer like this, we can further. Then in what way? Now look at these 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2. So 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2, it means square root of 2, then raised to the power of 5. Okay, square root of 2 raised to the power of 5. So which means we are going to have square root of 2, raised to the power of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. So square root of 2 raised to the power of 4, square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 2. Then another square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 2. So square root of 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 4. So we are going to have 4 root 2 as this, okay? So that will be 2 raised to the power of 5, 2 raised to the power of 2 over 3, which is cube roots of 4, okay? Cube root of 4, then minus 4 root 2, then plus 1. So that will be the answer to that problem. Okay guys, so I have another problem for us to solve, and here's the problem. We have 1 over 4, then into bracket 2 raised to the power of n multiplied by 2 raised to the power of n minus 2. So this will be equal to 1 over 4, then into bracket 2 raised to the power of n plus n minus 2, and that will be equal to 1 over 4 into bracket 2 raised to the power of 2n minus 2. Then take note that 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2. So we have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2n minus 2. And then we can write 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 as 2 raised to the power of negative 2, then multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2n minus 2. So which will be equal to 2 raised to the power of minus 2, then plus 2n minus 2. And this will give us 2 raised to the power of 2n minus 4. And we have our answer. So that's how you solve this kind of problem. Then another problem we have here, which is e, then raised to the power of 2, then raised to the power of minus k, then divided by e raised to the power of 5, then raised to the power of 2k. Now, this will be equal to, 2 multiplied by minus k will give us a minus 2k. So we have e raised to the power of minus 2k, then divided by 5 multiplied by 2k will give us 10k. So we have e raised to the power of 10k. Okay, so this will be equal to e raised to the power of minus 2k, then minus 10k. So this will be equal to e raised to the power of minus 12k. And so that will be the answer to that particular question. Alright guys, so before we end today's video, so let's quickly solve this last example for today. And here is the question. We have the square root of 72, a raised to the power of 3, b raised to the power of negative 2 over 2a raised to the power of 5, b raised to the power of minus 6. So we have to simplify this expression completely. So then how are we going to simplify this? Okay, so this is very simple for us to do. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. Now, what you notice, 2 can divide 72. So 2 into that is 1, 2 into 72 will give us 36. So this will be equal to square root of 36, then multiply by a raised to the power of 3, b raised to the power of negative 2, over a raised to the power of 5, b raised to the power of negative 6. Okay, so this will be equal to, you can split it, so that will be square root of 36, then multiply by square root of a raised to the power of 3 over a raised to the power of 5, multiply by square root of b raised to the power of negative 2 over b raised to the power of negative 6. So square root of 36 will give us 6. Then a raised to the power of 3 over a raised to the power of 5. So we have square root of a raised to the power of 3 minus 5. Then multiply by square root of b raised to the power of minus 2 divided by b raised to the power of minus 6. So that will be b raised to the power of minus 2 minus 6. Okay, so this will be equal to 6. Then multiply by the square root of a raised to the power of negative 2. Then multiply by the square root of b raised to the power, minus and minus will give us plus. So we have minus 2 plus 6, and that will give us 4. So multiply by b raised to the power of 4. So this will be equal to 6, then multiply by, square root of a raised to the power of negative 2. So that will surely give us 1 by a. Then square root of b raised to the power of 4. That will surely give us b raised to the power of 2. So what we have now is b, 6b squared, then everything over a. Okay guys, so that will be the end for today. So in our next class, we're going to talk about how to solve some equations in form of indices rather. Okay guys, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.